Hey, hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying a lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to resize your screen in Warudo. So let's say maybe for optimization, you're having your screen at 1080p and maybe you want to change it to 720p for because you're lagging a lot, or maybe you want to make it a toggle where primarily you want to be at 1080p. But if you notice that you're lagging a lot, you could press a button to downscale your screen to see if that helps, and then upscreen it, upscale the resolution if, you can do all that stuff. So let me show you the vanilla method before we go over this plugin. So what you're gonna do is at the bottom left here, go into your settings, and then in general here, scroll down until you find the window width and height. From here, you can be able to change this, let's say to 1280 and then to 720, like that. So that's how you can do it. And if you want it so you don't accidentally rescale the screen, you could set it where it's set to fixed window. That way you don't accidentally, rescale it. But otherwise though, you can set this to no. And from there we can be able to, let's say, go ahead and maybe make this into a toggle. This is where this add-on comes in, resize screen node. You can simply find this by going to the Discover tab, typing resize, and then going into plugins and finding this plugin here. So make sure that you click, once it appears, click on the subscribe button here. And once you have that, you're gonna go into the blueprints here, click on add blueprint. Let's go ahead and rename this to a resize window. Press on OK. And then from here, whether you are a Stream Deck user or if you are using a keyboard, so that one right here. So keystroke pressed here, like so. What you're going to then do is that we're going to type in let's see, I believe it was screen. Yeah, so resize screen. So type that out and then add it to here. And from here, you can be able to make different toggles. So let's say, for example, we want to have this one to be 1080p over here. So it's 1080p. We could set this, for a keyboard setup. And it'll look something like this, where whether Stream Deck or keyboard press, hotkey, you can resize to 1080p. So let me do that. Control 3. And there you go. I can then hold Control button, click and drag, and then to multi-select, Control C, and then Control V. And then set this, let's say, to 720p. And then again, setting up the numbers to how I want it. That's 720p right there. And then I can set this to be Control 2 instead. So there you go. And I can be able to toggle the resolution of Warudo just like that. I hope that this tutorial helps you out. Have a lovely day. See you guys next time. Bye-bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey, goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!